Dear students, now we are going to see exercise 1.4 seventh problem. In each of the following cases, state whether the function is bijective or not. Justify your answer. First question, f from R to R defined by f of x is equal to 2x plus 1. Second problem, f from R to R defined by f of x is equal to 3 minus 4x square. The first problem, f from R to R, real number to real number. Real number means it consists of natural number, whole number, integers and rational numbers. So we have to consider some of the integers, positive and negative integers. First you write the given function f of x is equal to 2x plus 1. F of 1 is randomly you have to select the integers. F of 1 equal to, substitute the value, instead of x you have to substitute the value 1. 2 into 1 plus 1. 2 into 1 to 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Next you have to substitute x is equal to 2. 2 into 2 4. 4 plus 1 5. Next you have to substitute x is equal to 0. 2 into 0 0. 0 plus 1 1. Next f of minus 1. 2 into minus 1 plus 1. 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus 1. So different sign you have to subtract. 2 minus 1 is 1. Big number sign is minus. So minus 1. Now you have to consider the distinct, you have to consider the diagram. It is for you got to, what are the numbers we have selected? 1 2 0 minus 1. You have to denote here 0 1 2 minus. Anyway you have to denote in order or anyway you have to denote. So real number means here also you have to denote some of the values, positive and negative values. So now draw the mapping for 2. It is 1 to 3, 1 to 3, 2 to 5, 2 to 5, 0 to 1, 0 to 1, minus 1 to minus 1. Now for you have to substitute different values, so every element of A get the images in B. The same way every element in B have a pre-images in A. So here to here it is image, here to here it is pre-image. So distinct elements of A have a distinct images in B, and every element in B has a pre-images in A. So it is bijective function. Bijective means already I taught to you, it is a one-to-one and on-to function. The second problem also the same function, f from real number to real number. F of x equal to 3 minus 4x square. Here I select the value 1, 2, 3, minus 1. So the same way, you instead of x you have to substitute the value 1. 3 minus 4 into 1 whole square. So 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Then you have to substitute the value 2. So 3 minus 4 into 2 whole square. So 3 minus 2 whole square value 4. So 3 minus 16. 3 minus 16 is minus 13. Next you have to substitute the value 3. 3 minus 4 into 3 whole square. So 3 square whole square value is 9. So 4 9s are 36. 3 minus 36 is equal to minus 33. Next minus 1. 3 minus 4 into minus 1 whole square. Minus 1 whole square value is plus 1. So 3 minus 4 equal to minus 1. Now see the diagram. Now you have to denote the elements 1, 2, 3, minus 1. Then you have to write the real numbers on the another set. So now you have to draw the mapping 1 to minus 1, 2 to minus 13, for 3 to minus 33. So minus 1 to minus 1. So now you have to consider here for all the elements, it is a positive elements or negative elements. We get the images in a negative. Images in a negative, no positive images. So it is not a bijective function since the positive numbers in codomain do not have a pre-image in the domain. So that means for each one it has a distinct images but no pre-images for that positive values. So it is not a onto function. It is one-to-one but not a onto function. So it is not a bijective function. Now 8th problem, let A equal to set of all minus 1 comma 1 and B equal to set of all 0 comma 2. If the function f from A to B defined by f of x is equal to ax plus b is an onto function, Find a and b. Given function f from a to b, the condition f of x equal to ax plus b. Then also given f is an onto function. Onto function means every element, every images have a pre-image. So that is now f of minus 1. Now you consider the diagram. F of minus 1 equal to 0, f of 1 equal to 2. So that is now you substitute the value. Instead of x you have to substitute minus 1. So a into minus 1 plus b. A into minus 1 minus a. A into minus 1 equal to minus a. So minus a plus b equal to 0. Next x value is 1. We have to substitute 1. So a into 1. A into 1 equal to a. A plus b equal to 2. Now we have to solve these two equations. So 1 plus 2 equation 1 plus 2. So we have to add minus a plus a cancel. B plus b 2b equal to 2. B equal to 2 transpose this side. So 2 by 2 b equal to 1. Now substitute b equal to 1 in equation 2. Any one of the equation you have to substitute in 1 or 2. A plus 1 equal to 2. B value is 1. A plus b equal to 2. It is a second equation. So a plus b value is 1. So that is equal to 2. A you transpose this side. It is minus 1. So a equal to 1. So a value equal to 1. B value equal to 1. Ninth sum. If the function f is defined by f of x is equal to set of all x plus 2 if x greater than 1. 2 if minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. X minus 1 if minus 3 less than x less than minus 1. Find the values of f of 3, f of 0, f of minus 1.5, fourth one f of 2 plus f of minus 2. So now you have to listen carefully. For x greater than 1 is given. So when we have the value x greater than 1, we have to apply the equation, this equation. For greater than 1 means 2, 3, 4 etc. So minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1 means minus 1 comma 0 comma 1. So next x minus 1. When we use x minus 1, the numbers minus 3 less than x less than minus 1. That means below minus 1. So minus 1.5, minus 2, minus 2.5. So now for f of 3, f of 0, f of minus 1.5, f of 2 plus f of minus 2, the each one related equations we have to find it. Related expressions we have to use. So next 10th sum, a function f from ordered per minus 5, 9 to r is defined as follows. So f of x is equal to 6x plus 1 if minus 5 less than or equal to x less than 2. 5x square minus 1 if minus 2 less than or equal to x less than 6. 3x minus 4 if 6 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 9. For 9th and 10th sum are same, but little bit big problem with this 10th problem. So 10th problem you have to listen now. 9th problem try yourself. F of x equal to 6x. 10th problem, f of x equal to 6x plus 1 if minus 5 less than or equal to x less than 2. So that means minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0 and 1. We have to apply this expression. Now for it is 2 less than or equal to x less than 6 means we have to apply the value 2, 3, 4, 5. We have a 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to substitute the expression 5x square minus 1. For 6 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 9. So this means 6, 7, 8, 9. So we got when you have 6, 7, 8, 9 you have to use this expression 3x minus 4. Now first problem, f of minus 3 plus f of 2. F of minus 3 lies in the first category 6x plus 1. So f of minus 3 equal to 6x plus 1. So x value is minus 3. 6 into minus 3 plus 1. 6 3s are 18. Plus into minus 18 plus 1. So you have to subtract minus 18 plus 1 minus 17. Second problem the same. First one we have completed f of minus 3. Now f of 2. X value f of 2 you have to consider 2 lies in a which category, first or second category, 5x square minus 1. So f of 2 equal to 5x square minus 1. So 5 into x value 2 square minus 1. 2 square value is 4. 5 into 4 minus 1. 5 4s are 20 minus 1, 19. Now we want to find f of minus 3 plus f of 2. You have to consider these two values, minus 17 plus 19 equal to 2. Second problem, f of 7 minus f of 1. 7 lies in the third category. Third category expression is 3x minus 4. So 3 into 7 minus 4. 7, this is a x value. 3 7s are 21 minus 4, it is 17. Then 1, f of 1. 1 lies in the first category. That related expression is 6x plus 1. So 6 into 1 plus 1. 6 1s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7. Now we want to find f of 7 minus f of 1. F of 7 value 17. F of 1 value 7. So 17 minus 7 is equal to 10. Third problem, 2 into f of 4 plus f of 8. 4 lies in the second category. So f of 4 equal to 5x square minus 1. Substitute the x value as 4. So 5 into 4 whole square minus 1. 4 square value 16. 5 into 16 is 80. 80 minus 1, 79. Then f of 8. 8 lies in the third category, 3x minus 4. So x value is 8. 3 into 8 minus 4. 3 8s are 24 minus 4 is equal to 20. We want to find 2 into f of 4 plus f of 8. So 2 into f of 4 value 79. F of 8 value 20. So 2 into f of 4 plus 20. So 79 into 2, 158 plus 20. So 178. Now fourth problem, 2 into f of minus 2 minus f of 6 by f of 4 plus f of minus 2. So we want to find here three values. F of minus 2, two values are there. One value we have to find. So f of minus 2, f of 6, f of 4. F of minus 2 lies in the first category, that is 6x plus 1. X value as minus 2. 6 into minus 2 plus 1. 6 into minus 2 minus 12 plus 1, that is minus 11. 6 lies in the third category, 3x minus 1. 3 into 6 minus 4. 3 6 are 18. 18 minus 4 is 14. Now f of 4 already we found. F of 4 is 79. We found in the previous problem. So now for 2 into f of minus 2 minus f of 6. 2 into f of minus 2 is minus 11. F of 6 is 14, minus 14 by f of 4, 79 minus 11. So now 2 into minus 11 minus 22 minus 14 minus 79. F of 4 is 79. Sorry, I said minus 79. 79. 79 minus 11. Now you have to simplify the numerator value, that is minus 36. Denominator you have to subtract, that is 68. Cancelling is possible. We have to make cancel. For any table you have to use common tables. So after simplifying we get the value minus 9 by 17.